Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Amazon seller account. Whether you're shifting your business elsewhere or simply closing up shop, this guide will walk you through the process smoothly. First, open your web browser and navigate to sellercentral.amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Although I don't have an Amazon Seller Central account myself, I'll show you exactly what the next steps look like so you can follow along seamlessly. After logging in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a gear icon there, which is your gateway to account settings. Click on that gear icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Account Info. This will take you to the central hub where you can manage all aspects of your seller account. Once you're in the Account Info section, look over to the left sidebar. Here you'll find various management options. Click on Account Management. This is where Amazon houses all the critical controls for your account, including the option to close it permanently. Now, within the account management area, you should see an option labeled Close Account or Request Account Closure. Click on it to begin the closure process. Amazon wants to understand why sellers are leaving their platform, so they may ask you to type the reason for closing your account. Take a moment to provide this information, then carefully review the closure details that Amazon presents. This ensures you understand what closing your account entails and what will happen to your data. After reviewing everything, click Submit or the Final Confirmation button to send the closure request. This action officially notifies Amazon that you want to close your seller account. However, the process isn't quite finished yet. Next, open your email inbox and look for a verification message from Amazon. This email is part of their security protocol to ensure that the closure request is legitimate. Click on any verification link or button included in that email to confirm the closure request. Before Amazon can finalize the closure, there's one critical requirement you need to be aware of. Make sure that all your orders are completely finished, all refunds and disputes are resolved, and your account balance is at 0. Amazon requires your account to be fully cleared before they'll approve the final closure. This step is essential because any pending issues can delay or prevent the closure from being completed. And that's it. You've successfully submitted your request to cancel your Amazon seller account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.